dear. Funny, I'm a dear. In the moment tina basi mu free ha kompai bo kumasi echi every Friday. This is almost a saying because onyame ni nyani timu na end thing and that the miracle is not in a particular place. It's not in a particular place. The miracle will come based on your own heart and your own faith. Ubi on monko baby or tenid them nyami di nshira ne beba demo. Tie die come. When we talk about a kingdom that is he is dealing with justice and righteousness, like Isaiah chapter 1 verse 17, where the Bible talks about, learn to do well, seek judgment, relieve the oppressed, judge the fatherless, plead the cause of the widow. This is how God thinks. And so when you go to compare Ghana, a Christian country, to all the Islamic nations, Bahrain, Oman, Jordan, Qatar, the 7 states of the United Arab Emirates, compare us to, a nation like, Saudi Arabia. They have taken the kingdom from the kingdom people and given it to a nation that is bearing the fruit. I'm telling you. Yeah, ministers, think about what I'm saying. We were far, but free. I didn't say Christopher. There is a difference. The people who were convicted this year into Insawan prison, 80% Bible boy be also police for and no case na go say police watch that's why a radio presenter we twitwa nipa be man wo mo ho pass and all that they are in the fridge mu a oton e the microphone no na a radio presenter obetena the radio program so obo gospel tie mu a ansana why an sports otimi tu nipa koma buy nipa nanankasa bia nebo eyi nipa koma no they are to the fridge ready to sell to somebody else. You can remove your kidneys and your liver and take out your penis and wash it and put it in a plastic ready to sell it to somebody.